because it's TLD day 18, okay? This is your math lesson for the day. Make sure it has lesson 64 up here in the top. Make sure it looks like this. I am going to cut some sections out, all right? So, let's cut out this section and this section. Can you do this one? Now, guys, do you see how it's kind of flipped around? It's the same thing. 1 plus 20 equals what? It's the same as 20 plus 1 more equals what? Think, 20 plus 1. 20, 21. Okay? It's just flip-flopped, and that's okay. All right? 1 plus 24. So think, 24, write it down. Right, 25. All right, 1 plus 29 equals, so think, 29, what comes after the 20s? 2 10s, 3 10s, 29, 30. Okay, I just wanted to go over that. These were just flipped, and you're going to start seeing them flipped, all right? Now, on this section, guys, I think you all know how to do this section, so I'm going to mark that one out, okay? Let's go down to the counting section. All right. Let's read the number. Ready? 14. What comes after 14? I'm going to give you a second to fill in the ones you can, okay? All right, ready? 14, 15. Ready? 14, 15, 16. Ready? 14, 15, 16. I hope you're counting with me. Okay, this time we're going to do the next two numbers, okay? Get ready to do 2 more numbers if you don't have them. Ready? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, let's get that last one this time. Ready? Count with me. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hope you're getting that in your head. All right? Okay, let's count. Or say the number. 34. Ready? 34. And you fill in the ones you know. Okay, ready? 34. Let's do 2 more. 34, 35, 36. Okay, let's count. Count with me. We're going to do 2 more. Ready? 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Let's go ahead and do 1 more. 39. Okay, let's count all the way through and get that last one. Ready? Count with me. Ready? 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Do you see where we go from 3 10s to 4 10s? Okay? All right, ready? Let's read it. 48. Wonder what comes after 48. Ready? tens to 5 tens. Ready? 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, you finish that out. Ready? Let's count it. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Did you get it right? Hope so. I'll give you a second to make sure you've got it. All right, now let's go to the bottom. All right, notice these are all subtract. Use your number line, do all those takeaway. Now, you can stop the video and do that now, or we can just keep going and you can do it at the end. When you're ready, get your shapes and fractions page where we're cutting things into half, cutting things into thirds, and cutting things into fourths. Okay? All right. Look. I'm going to show you. Do you see? Let's pretend this is a pan of brownies. Here is the whole pan of brownies. They've cut the brownies into 4 equal pieces, or fourths. So let's say Miss Flynn gets 1/4, 1 piece. Miss Kia gets another 4th, there's another piece. Let's say Miss Schatz gets this piece, 1/4, and Miss Teeter gets this piece, okay? So I'm cutting each into 4 equal pieces, all right? Now, what they want to do is look at the rectangle or the pan of brownies. It's divided into fourths, 4 equal pieces. 1/4 is shaded. We would need to shade 3 more fourths to shade the whole thing. Okay? So basically, they want to know how many pieces are not shaded. All right? How many pieces need to be shaded to make a whole? All right, so let's go down to the bottom. So let's look. This is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Somebody ate this piece. How many more pieces need to be eaten before the whole thing's gone? 1, 2, 3. 3/4. They wrote the word fourths out. Guys, we're going to shorten it. This is the way you write a fraction. 3 out of 4 pieces are still there, and somebody would need to eat 3 pieces for the whole thing to be gone. Okay? Now, look here. This is cut into 3 pieces. Somebody ate this piece. How many pieces are left? 2. So 2 pieces. Now draw your line. How many pieces do I have all together? 1, 2, 3. 3. So I would need to eat 2 more pieces out of the 3 for it all to be gone. Okay? All right, let's look at this one. Oh, look, maybe this is a pizza. Somebody ate that piece. Somebody ate that piece. Somebody ate that piece. How many more pieces need to be eaten before the whole thing is gone? Right, 1. 1. Now, draw your line. How many pieces are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1 more piece out of 4. Okay? That's different, isn't it? You probably haven't seen anything like that before. It's called a fraction. Can you say that? Fraction. All right? Okay, I'm going to have to erase so I can move up and write on the bottom. Okay? look at this bottom row. Look, this, let's say candy bar, somebody's eating this piece. How many more pieces need to be eaten before the whole thing is gone? Just that one. One. I'm going to put it over here. How many pieces are there altogether? 1, 2. 2 pieces. Okay. Look at this pizza. Somebody ate that piece. Somebody ate that piece. How many pieces need to be eaten before the whole thing is gone? 1. So 1, put your line. How many pieces were there altogether? 1, 2, 3. 1/3. All right? That looks like a Kit Kat bar to me, doesn't it to you? Somebody's eating this piece of the candy bar, somebody's eating this piece, and somebody's eating this piece. How many more pieces need to be eaten before the whole thing is gone? Just 1. 1. Now, how many pieces were there to begin with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope you did that with me. I'll give you a second to have that written down. When you're ready, flip it over. All right? All right, we've got to do what we did yesterday. We've got to cut it and then shade it, okay? So this one we have to cut into thirds. That's that real hard one. Remember how you have to cut it to the middle, then cut it wide, then cut it wide. And how much do you have to shade? How many pieces do you have to shade? 1. So I'm going to shade 1 piece. All right? Here we go. We got to cut this one into halves. Remember, we cut something into half, we cut it into 2 pieces. So cut it in half, and it says we have to shade 2 pieces. So we got to shade both pieces. This one we have to cut it into fourths. So remember, when we cut into fourths, cut it down the middle, across the middle. And we got to shade 1/4. So shade 1 piece. All right. This one we have to split it into thirds. Remember, thirds is 3 pieces. This is the hard one. Remember, cut it down to the middle and cut wide, wide. That one's okay, not great. So, but look, how many pieces do we need to shade? What's it say? 2. So shade in 2 pieces. This one we have to cut into fourths. So remember, we cut into fourths, we go down the middle, across the middle. How many pieces do we have to shade in? It says we've got to shade in 3 pieces. So shade 3 pieces, guys. just going to do these. We won't do the bottom. So let's do these. Ready? We've got to cut this into half. Remember, when you cut something in half, you split it in the middle. So cut it right down the middle. How many pieces do you need to shade? It says 2. So shade in 2 pieces. All right. You could use crayons too if you want. I should have said that earlier. All right. Oh, I don't like cutting things into thirds. I think it's hard. What you don't want to do, guys, you don't want to do this. Are those equal pieces? No. So try to cut it into equal pieces. And how many pieces are you supposed to color? All 3 pieces. All right, we have to cut this one into 4ths. So easy way to do the 4ths, down the middle. Oh, that's on the middle. Let's go down the middle, across the middle. And how many pieces are we supposed to shade in? Just 1 this time. 1/4. All right, this one it says 2/3, so we have to cut it into thirds. That's that one, it's kind of hard. So you might want to 3 equal pieces. It's not great, but I tried. So how many pieces are we supposed to shade? 2. 1. 2. All right, it's 3/4. So we've got to cut it into 4 equal pieces. Let's do it the easy way. Cut down the middle, cut across the middle. How many pieces do we need to shade? 3. So shade in 3 pieces. Okay, you can put an X on the bottom. All right, we're not going to do the word problems yet. I just don't feel like we're ready for that because we can't do the things we would normally do to teach fractions. So we're just going to make sure we can practice shading in the pieces. Okay, so once you're finished, I want you to hang tight so I can show you what to do for the social studies, okay? All right, day 18 of social studies. All right, it says go to that's the Get Epic. That's the one you have to set up a free account with, and you can choose one of those to read. And it says write 5 facts. Now, you guys know, you tell mom and dad one fact and have them write it down, or you can talk about it and mom and dad just to sign off on it. Or you can look at the fact sheet for page 8, or to TLD day 18. So Ms. Key is going to show us day 18. Okay, look where it says 18 up there in the corner. Okay, so you're going to read this, and again, you have to tell mom or dad one fact, and they can write it down, or you can talk about it and just they can sign off. Okay, I'm good with either way you want to do it. All right, guys, make sure you do that subtraction for me, and I'll see you later.